COVID-19 vaccines could be yet a reality in Tanzania. A committee of experts has been given the task of giving the okay when the time is right. The government says the idea of a vaccine committee is not new.
Advisory committees on vaccines in this country have been around. I have looked at the records. They have been in existence since the early 2000s. They were put in place by the ministers at the time. They would follow up on a vaccine for even up to 10 years and would later advise the minister to allow distribution.
Tanzania had previously indicated it had no plans to accept COVID-19 vaccines. President John Magufuli had expressed reservations.
The Health Ministry must know that not every vaccination is meaningful to our nation. Tanzanians must be alert. Tanzanians must also be mindful so that we are not used for trials of some doubtful vaccinations which could have some serious repercussions on our health.
Tanzania last reported COVID-19 data in April last year. The World Health Organization has urged the country to share data that would help reveal the extent of infections. The government, however, feels that would create unnecessary panic. At least 22 countries in Africa have received COVID-19 vaccines through the COVAX initiative that seeks to ensure that low and middle-income countries receive doses. According to the Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention, some 60% population vaccination is needed to achieve herd immunity in Africa. Tanzania has been focusing on prevention campaigns and alternative herbal remedies. Health authorities are stressing that the use of remedies has to be backed up by sound science.
The traditional medicines that we are talking about are those that we have ascertained their safety and can help solve this problem. We can't just accept everyone that emerges with a drug. We have specific procedures and guidelines that guide us in that area.
It is still unclear when or if Tanzania will import COVID-19 vaccines. But with a committee in place, the country may be headed towards a vaccination rollout. Isaac Lukando, SABC, Dar es Salaam.